Welcome to this FX Empire review of IQ Option, a broker that was founded in 2013 and is headquartered in Cyprus. Here we have the IQ Option homepage. As you can see here, quite a few different things to look at in terms of the different markets available to trade. So they have binary options and digital options available for traders, but only professional clients, as well as offering Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, and ETFs to trade on. If you scroll down, it gives you a little bit more information about their proprietary trading platform, which is their own IQ Option platform, which we'll look at a little bit later on. They also offer a free practice account, 24/7 support in multiple languages, as well as a variety of different deposit and withdrawals. And as you scroll down, it talks about some of the features that they have within the platform, which we will look at a little bit later on. As you can see here, the broker is regulated by the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, which is confirmed by looking at the CySEC register. As we can see here, IQ Option Europe Limited is approved to operate the eu.iqoption.com domain name. If we go back to the home page, we can actually see at the top there's quite a few different tabs here. So we have stocks, forex, options, cryptocurrencies, which leads to more information about those different asset classes. As you can see here, top gainers in different stock markets and different top losers as well as top dividend kings. If you click on one of these, it opens up to a quite detailed informational page, which is quite useful for traders researching different asset classes in different stocks. For example, here on Boeing, gives a lot of information such as earnings report, recent news announcements regarding this particular stock, analysis section as well on the different earnings announcements, and a SWOT analysis, and a profile of the company as well, just so you understand a little bit more about what the company is and what they do. So they offer this type of research for all the different asset classes. So if you go to Forex, for example, you can see here top gainers, top losers, and quite a wide variety here as well. Pound New Zealand, Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, so some exotic currencies in there. So if we click on Turkish lira against the Japanese yen, for example, again, it comes up with a similar page here on the overview of the market, the price performance, the different news announcements regarding these currencies, and also gives an analysis section as well of this particular currency pair. And that level of information is available for the variety of different markets that IQ Option offers, which is Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and ETFs. Currently, not any indices. The trading fees with the broker can also be found at the top here as well. So if you hover over for traders, there's actually quite a lot of research tools available. So news feed, different calendars as well. There's also some good educational material. If you click on video tutorials, this is their ultimate trading hub on learning how to trade. So lots of different category videos is here, FX options, technical analysis videos, market news videos as well, fundamental analysis. So quite a few different videos there as well. If we look on market news, for example, you can actually see these are updated as well, and often happen quite regularly. So quite a lot of useful information there for different traders. We can see here on the right hand side, trading hours and fees. If we click on this, this gives us a detailed breakdown of the spreads, commissions, and swap values for the actual broker. So for example, here we have stocks. We can see here on these different instruments, the trading hours, as well as the spread, and with stocks, the percentage spread here, as well as the overnight funding or swap costs. Generally speaking, trading is commission free on most of these asset classes with just the spread and swap values. As we can see here, there are some other fees to take into account. So just typical withdrawal fees and inactivity fees as well, which is for the amount of €10. If we click on other markets like Forex, for example, and we'll have a look at the live spreads when we look at their IQ Option trading platform, you can see here euro dollar, for example, 0.011% spread. Plus you've got the swap rates and overnight values here for trading on these different Forex pairs. You've got the same thing for cryptocurrencies here as well, the different spread values, and as well as commodities with gold, silver, oil, platinum. So detailed informational breakdown for traders on the hours and trading fees. More information regarding fees can be found under the regulation tab and terms and conditions. You scroll to the bottom, general fees, and this gives a bit more of a detailed breakdown on the costs of different trading assets and an explanation of what they are. So the spread, the swap fee, and so on. So traders can also look at this area here if they're interested in learning a little bit more about the different fees available. You can also see at the top here for traders, client categories. So these are the two different trading accounts that IQ Option offers in line with ESMA regulations. So retail trading accounts and professional trading accounts. And this gives you a detailed breakdown of the differences between the retail and the professional account and what it takes to actually apply for a professional trading account. For those that want to sign up as a retail client, by clicking on sign up on the right hand side, if you input your name and email and password, you'll be able to open up a trading account for free. So once you put in your name, email address, and password information, it will take you to the next page to either open up a demo account where you can start trading on a practice account, or to open up a real account and top up your funds to start trading. IQ Option have their own proprietary trading platform, as you can see in the background, and currently do not offer MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 or CTrader. But their platform does come with some additional unique benefits and features, which we'll look at in a moment. So here we have the IQ Option trading platform, and this is the home screen. And you can see here quite a few different features available to you to look at. On the left-hand side, you've got the total portfolio. So these are the positions. If you have any positions, you've got trading history there, chats and support. So if you need support, you can talk to support directly from the platform. There's also some other chat groups as well: Forex chat, crypto chat, English chat, stocks chat, where you can interact with other traders and talk about different things regarding the markets. There's also a leaderboard as well. So these are some recent traders here, and they have a rating system here on the different activity of members. Also, you can access their market analysis directly from the platform. So you've got Market Screener, Market Watch, FX Street, and a few more. You can scroll down. You've also got here the economic calendar for the day as well that you can look at, as well as an earnings calendar as well for stock traders, and cryptocurrency news items as well. So quite a lot of useful information for traders. You've also got video tutorials there as well. So quick way to access all the educational materials and the market news for beginner and advanced traders. And if you click on more, you can also set alerts up as well for your trading. If we look at the markets, and here we can see that we have a chart. Right now it's just a line chart, and you can customize this. You can see there's some options here just on the left hand side towards the bottom, and we can click on chart type, and it offers line, candles, bars, Heikin-Ashi as well. So we can just click on candles. You can change the colors as well. You also have different time frames here as well. So you've got everything from a month all the way down to 5 seconds. Okay, so a lot of different time frames there to be able to trade with. So we'll just click on like the hourly chart, for example, and that opens up the hourly chart here of euro against the US dollar. There's also different indicators as well. So you've got the graphical tools, the standard line tools, trend line tools, horizontal line, vertical line, Fibonacci lines. You also have indicators as well, large variety of indicators as well. You've got the popular indicators, average true range, awesome oscillator, Bollinger Bands, MACD, relative strength index, stochastic oscillator, but there's also quite a few more under different categories. So you've got momentum here, you've got balance of power, center of gravity. So a lot of different types of indicators to experiment with. The shaft trend cycle, for example, that's just under momentum. You've also got trend here as well. So you've got Davos boxes, Ichimoku clouds. So quite a few different variables here. Volatility indicators, moving average indicators, volume-based indicators, and other based indicators like fractal and fractal chaos band. So a lot of different types of indicators that aren't readily available on other platforms. So quite unique there to IQ Option. So to view the different markets available to trade, we can simply click here where it says euro against the US dollar, and we can see the different markets available to trade. So you've got FX options, which is for professional clients. forex pairs, stocks, cryptocurrencies, commodities, ETFs. So you can see here all the different currencies that are available to trade. So quite a wide variety of just the basic currencies as well as exotic currencies like Swedish krona against the Japanese yen. We also have stocks here as well. So you can see here different stocks from German stocks, UK stocks, US stocks as well. So a lot of different things there to focus on. Cryptocurrencies here as well, commodities and ETFs. So if we go to the forex market, we've got euro dollar here, and if we click on that, it opens it up on the chart. So they have one-click trading features here. We can buy or we can sell. We also have the amounts that you can buy and sell on, so $1, $2, $3, $5, and so on. The multiplier as well. And if you don't quite understand these terms, they have the little question mark here, so you can specify the amount you'd like to invest. On the multiplier, which is your leverage, so it explains what that is, and the auto close feature as well. So if we're looking to buy, we can just simply click on buy, and that's already in the trade. Okay, so you'll see there current positions, euro against the US dollar. All right. You can also click on show more. Okay, and you can see the purchase time, the level, and so on, the margin, the leverage, and the investment. If we click on the settings icon, there's also some more functionality. So we can set a take profit and a stop loss, although the terms are a bit different to other typical platforms. So you can see here when profit is a certain amount or when loss is a certain amount. So not your typical take profit or stop loss terminology. But you can select your take profit levels by profit percentage, profit in money, or the asset price. Okay, so quite a few different ways to actually do it. You can also you can do profit in money. You can put 50 for example. You can put when the loss is here, loss in money. You can also put 50 here. You can put trading stop loss and some other functions as well. So that probably needs to change to a minus with the stop loss because we're buying. So we click on apply, and then you can see we already have that in play. Okay, so quite useful functionality there with IQ option. So if we click close, we can simply click close and close the position, and then that's closed. To look at the trading history, you can see that here, trading history, and you can see your profit and loss on that. If we wanted to sell the market, we can simply click on sell, and that's then open a trade there. And again, similar thing, we can go to click on the euro dollar here, and we can start to actually use that functionality. So if we go to the total portfolio, so once we click the settings icon here, we can put a profit in of, let's say, $10 and a loss is $10, and we click on apply, and then that is already there in the system. So you can see here, different functionality. So there's your stop loss, and there's your take profit. Okay, so with the auto close function, so you can see that directly on the chart. If you want to close a trade, then you simply click on the close button here on the left hand side. And that has closed, and you can see the trading history. And if you click on the order, you can see where your entry was, see where your take profit and stop loss levels were as well. So some useful functionality, which does take some getting used to, slightly different to some of the other trading platforms, but there's some very interesting features here. Users can also access the support right at the bottom here. So there's a telephone number that you can call. You can also click on the support icon, and you can ask questions here. So some questions here already pre-populated: how to trade, how to deposit, how to verify. You can also ask your own question. For example, we can ask, what is maximum leverage, for example. So what is maximum leverage? We can type that in, and then we can simply, wait for a response. So you can see here's a support bot, which can help you identify answers to your questions. If you go to the home page of IQ option, there's also a section where you can contact the company as well. So in the About Us section, you can click the Contact Us function, and then you have links to social media, and you also can ask a question here as well. There's also 24/7 customer support service, so you can call this English phone number, Portuguese or Spanish phone number as well. So a lot of different ways to access customer support services. Let's jump over and have a look at the mobile trading platform offered by IQ Option. So here we have the IQ Option mobile trading app available on Android and iOS. As you can see here, really good graphics, very functional. On the left hand side, we can select on those three little lines and we have different options such as deposit, withdrawal. We've got history as well of trading, activity, settings, news and updates, active sessions, support function. You can talk directly to support as well. If we go to the chart here, there's other functionalities such as the briefcase, which is your portfolio, open positions, pending positions, any closed positions. We also have a market analysis section, so we can see here news straight into the app from different outlets. We've got Forex calendar here as well. We also have an earnings calendar for stock traders. If we go down, we can also see movements and price alerts, and we can select by gaps, sharp jumps, or all price movements. So we can see here some of the bigger moves that have been happening in some of the cryptocurrencies. We can also access video tutorials, so these are all the educational videos, also market news videos as well. You can access directly from the app, as well as the different chats such as the support, as well as other chats, Forex chat, crypto chat, English chat, stocks chat, and so on. You can also access more tools at the bottom here, such as you can turn things off like portfolios, market analysis, price movements, and so on. If we go to the chart, we can go right on the chart as well, quite easily just by holding down on the chart and moving the screen around. We can also change different time frames, so we can see at the bottom here, if we click on the candles with a 30-minute, if we click on this, we can change the time frames. We've got 30-minute charts, we've got the 1 hour chart there, we've got the 4 hour, 8 hour chart. You can see that's already updated in the background as you're viewing as well, which is very useful. So we go in the daily chart, so that automatically changes on the daily chart as well. We can also change the chart type. So right now it's on candles, we can select bars. That's automatically updated behind. We can select a line chart, a mounting chart, or we can just stick to candles. We can also select Heikin-Ashi auto scaling as well. We can also add on graphical tools here. So we've got graphical tools such as trend lines, horizontal lines, and Fibonacci tools as well. We can also add in a wide variety of different indicators. So lots of different indicators here available to view in the mobile trading app, which is very unique. Not many other mobile trading apps have this level of these levels of indicators viewable in them. So quite a few things there to look at. You can also create a template, and there's other settings there as well. So if we go to the chart, we can see on the right hand side we have buy and sell options, so one-click trading features. So we can click on buy, for example, okay, and we can select the price there. So we can either select the price that we want to buy at, or we can select market, which will get us in at the market price, whatever that is. We can select limits here, so we can put a take profit and a stop loss in place. So if we're going to buy at market, we can put a take profit in, and we can just push it up here, for example. We can put a stop loss in, and we can push it lower to adjust how you want to have your stop loss levels. You can also use trailing stop losses there as well. So a lot of different varieties there. If we click on save, for example, if we click on confirm, so that automatically opens a trade there. We can actually see where the entry level is. We can see where the take profit level is and the stop loss level all on the chart. We can also go down to the lower time frame, for example, so the 1 hour chart, and then you can actually see that in a little bit more detail where your take profit and stop loss is. You can even go lower than that, even go to a 15-second chart, which is obviously moves around quite a bit. So you can see the stop loss value there and the take profit value there as well. It's a little bit lower, and take profit is a lot higher. Okay, so some really good functionality here on Oops, scroll down. Really good functionality here, very clean, very intuitive trading platform. So if we want to close that position, we can just simply select close here, and that will close that trade. Okay, and then that will be in your portfolio window in closed trades there. That's today. If we want to go to the short side, we can simply click on the sell button, and we can repeat the same process. So we can select either the price or the market level that we want to trade at. We can select limits, so we can put a take profit in, which we can just leave, let's say, at 100. We can put a stop loss in at -50 and click save. And if we click confirm, that's got us into a short trade there. You can see the stop loss is higher and the take profit is lower. So you can change the different time frames to view that in a bit more detail. So go to the 5-minute chart. We can also go to the 1-hour chart. Go to the daily chart, and then you can actually see there where the take profit and stop loss values are. If we want to close this trade, we can simply click on close, select confirm, and that will have closed that trade. There's also a wide variety of markets you can access on this platform. So you can select euro dollar here. You've got all the different currency options here, so all the major markets as well as exotic currencies as well. So you've got the Thai baht here as well against the US dollar, Swiss franc against the Danish kroner. So lots of different selection of currencies. Also have stocks to trade as well, okay, from all over the world, UK, European, US stocks, ETFs, commodities, platinum, crude, gold, silver, cryptocurrencies as well. And of course you can see the spread values here in each of these different markets. So that's where we are with this trading platform. So very intuitive, very useful to use there, very clean graphics. That is the FX Empire review of IQ Option. We hope you found this of value and wish you all the best in your future trading.